Hey guys, and welcome back to Misha's Corner. Today I'm going to show you how to make the perfect, in my opinion, lemon pepper wings. So this is the wing right here. It was so good, you guys. And of course, we got to make that homemade ranch, which was also super easy and simple. Look at that wing. I know you want to bite. So I'm going to wash my wings up. You already know I wash my chicken. I use lemon juice, salt, water, or whatever I have around the house, or sometimes even vinegar. Add my water, let it sit for 5 minutes, and then I rinse it off. These are the spices that I'll be using on the chicken itself. Don't need a lot going on. And this right here is my It's Lit lemon pepper, which got an upgrade, and this will be available soon for purchase. So yeah, it's finally coming back. Everything's coming back, and hopefully you guys support. Don't forget to check out the coldest water. Use my code. Everything will be in my description box. It keeps cold things cold and hot things hot. And I wouldn't be lying to y'all. This is my favorite bottle currently in my house because it does what it says it's supposed to do. I'm a little under the weather, so I'm doing the best I can, but I had to get this video out. You already know the tea. So I'm going to season the wings with a little bit of the lemon pepper, not too much. Some cayenne. I'm heavy with that because I want that spice in the back. And I'm using some Tony's and a little salt. But you can season the chicken however you want to. Just watch your sodium. I know I'm using salt and I'm saying that, but just watch what you're doing. So this is what it looks like. Your chicken should look well seasoned. Alright, now I'm about to aggravate somebody with this Panko breadcrumb, adding it to the flour. But listen, it is what it is, okay? Don't knock it till you try it. I'm also going to add a tad bit of Tony's. You don't want to put too much seasoning here because, like I said, especially if you had Misha's Corner lemon pepper before, you know the tea. You don't need a lot of seasoning at all. I'm going to aggravate somebody again by adding this egg directly onto the chicken. And you just want to mix it up, and then we're going to bread the chicken. Alright, so now I'm going to add the chicken down into the flour just like this, and I'm going to coat it really well. Again, you don't have to do it this way. You can season your flour if you prefer. If you're unsure, you're annoyed, you're anything, season your flour is fine. No big deal. So now this is what the chicken looks like, and I'm going to fry it. My oil is around 330. You don't want it to be too high. Do not overcrowd the pan. That's y'all mistake right there. Don't overcrowd the pan. So now let's work on the butter sauce, which is just butter and lemon pepper. Whatever lemon pepper you're using, about 2 tablespoons to about a half a stick of butter. Alright, so this is the chicken after 5 minutes. I flipped it over, and now I'm going to remove it after another 5 minutes and put it on my rack. And that's it. So I let it drain on my rack. You could put it on some paper towels if you don't have a rack. And then I'm going to put the second batch in just like this. I did wait about 2 minutes before I added the second batch so that the oil could come back up to temperature. This is a chicken right here. Look how crispy it is. Look at that panko. Okay, y'all gotta trust me. But yeah, so this is what the chicken looks like. It's perfect and ready to go. Alright, so while the second batch is frying, I'm going to work on the ranch. And of course, I'm going to use some non-fat plain Greek yogurt. You can use mayo. I'm going to use a little bit of this ranch seasoning, about a tablespoon to a 1/3 cup of the yogurt. Next, I'm going to add lemon juice. This was a juicy old lemon, so I just squeezed about half of it. Next, I'm going to add some parsley for color. I'm going to add some Worcestershire sauce, some granulated garlic. And if you need salt and pepper, add salt and pepper. I didn't add any more salt. And mix it up, and that's it. I'm going to set it in the fridge and let it chill out while I get the rest of the chicken together. And this is me just pouring it right out into my little ramekin. And someone's going to ask, so I'm going to tell you I got it from Amazon. Okay. Now for the fun part, I'm going to add the lemon pepper butter right over the wings just like this. And oh my God. I just can't wait for y'all to see my store when everything's nice and ready. Y'all just don't know what's coming. But this seasoning right here is amazing. However, since y'all don't have it yet, use your favorite lemon pepper seasoning. The chicken was moist. It was crispy. I'm gonna let y'all hear exactly how crispy it was in 3 seconds. Tell me you haven't had fried chicken in 3 months without telling me you haven't had fried chicken in 3 months. That was my reaction. Y'all know I'm on this health journey, so I don't fry anything as of lately at all. So this is a chicken once I dipped it in the ranch. It was perfect. I hope you guys give this recipe a try. If you do, tag me and let me know what you think. Don't forget to check out my description box for anything you may need. Don't forget to check out the Coldest water bottle and tell them I sent you. And make sure you use my links and my codes down below so you could get a percentage off. And I'll catch you guys on my next video. Bye, y'all.